Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Data collection is a systematic process of gathering observations or measurements. Whether you are performing research for business, governmental or academic purposes, data collection allows you to gain first-hand knowledge and original insights into your research problem. While methods and aims may differ between fields, the overall process of data collection remains largely the same. Before you begin collecting data, you need to consider the aim of the research, the type of data that you will collect, the methods and procedures you will use to collect, store, and process the data. Now going to our main topic: how to collect data for research paper. Step 1. Define the aim of your research. Before you start the process of data collection, you need to identify exactly what you want to achieve. You can start by writing a problem statement. What is the practical or scientific issue that you want to address and why does it matter? Next, formulate one or more research questions that precisely define what you want to find out. Depending on your research questions, you might need to collect quantitative or qualitative data. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is expressed in numbers and graphs and is analyzed through statistical methods. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is expressed in words and analyzed through Step 2. Choose your data collection method. Based on the data you want to collect, decide which method is best suited for your research. Experimental research is primarily a quantitative method. Interviews, focus groups and ethnography are qualitative methods. Surveys, observations, archival research and secondary data collection can be quantitative or qualitative methods.
Step 3. Plan your data collection procedures. When you know which methods you are using, you need to plan exactly how you will implement them. What procedures will you follow to make accurate observations or measurements of the variables you are interested in? Operationalization. Sometimes your variables can be measured directly. For example, you can collect data on the average age of employees simply by asking for dates of birth. However, often you'll be interested in collecting data on more abstract concepts or variables that can't be directly observed. Sampling. You may need to develop a sampling plan to obtain data systematically. This involves defining a population, the group you want to draw conclusions about, and a sample, the group you will actually collect data from. Standardizing procedures. If multiple researchers are involved, write a detailed manual to standardize data collection procedures in your study.
Step 4. Collect the data. Finally, you can implement your chosen methods to measure or observe the variables you are interested in. To ensure that high-quality data is recorded in a systematic way, here are some best practices. Record all relevant information as and when you obtain data. For example, note down whether or how lab equipment is recalibrated during an experimental study. Double-check manual data entry for errors. If you collect quantitative data, you can assess the reliability and validity to get an indication of your data quality.
Thank you for watching. I hope you can easily understand that how to collect data for research paper. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos about research.